We have two goals with this course: to make it easy and to make it successful. With more than 15 years of experience in Google AdWords and Google Analytics, and with the Google AdWords Premier Partner Badge, we are here to help you achieve your goals. At the end of this course, you will create successful Google AdWords search campaigns with high return on investment, 10 out of 10 quality score, and of course the minimum cost per click. The Google AdWords search course is constantly updating and upgrading with your questions, so every day we're adding something new. Of course, as you have full-time access, lifetime access, you can come back and see the new sections and the new lectures. Of course, you can ask your questions and we are here to answer them with a video so as to make your life easier. We are here to help you create successful AdWords search campaigns. Take a look at the description and the preview videos, and of course, I'm looking forward to seeing you inside.